I found, hands down, the best affiliate marketing method that you can do, and I'm going to share it with you right now. In a step-by-step format, I'll show you everything that you need to do from start to finish, and I'll do this method with you live on camera. Now, this is a 100% free method. I'm not going to try and sell you anything, and I can guarantee this method and this video is going to add more value than any other Make Money Online video you're going to click on after. Okay, so now let's make some money. Now, I'm going to do this method with you, so make sure you do watch it all the way until the end. Make sure you pay attention and listen to what I'm saying, because I'll guide you through everything. Now, we're going to be using ClickBank for this copy and paste method. Again, it requires no investment. All you need to do is first sign up to ClickBank. I'm assuming most of you already have an account on ClickBank. If not, ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace with virtual products which you can promote as an affiliate. Once you've signed up to ClickBank, you will then be taken to the affiliate marketplace, where you can then choose a product to promote. Now, I'm going to choose a product right now, and I recommend you follow this product, you follow this guide, and you just use the exact same product as me and the same traffic source, and I'll show you how to do literally everything. So you want to go to all, and you can promote in all of these different products, but if you're copying me, which I recommend, go to e-business and e-marketing. All you have to do, guys, here is click where I click and literally do everything that I do. So we're going to go to e-business and e-marketing, and then if we scroll down here, we should see this product here, which is WIHTOut.reviews.com. So this product pays people to be able to review apps. So if you go ahead and click on this, it will take you to the landing page, and here is the landing page. Mobile and tablet app testers hiring now. People can earn up to $25 to $35 per hour once they buy into this system. So you can see it's created like a job post, and you just need to get traffic to go to this landing page and then buy. And when they buy, you will earn $41 on average in commissions. So this product really does work the best for the traffic source that we're going to use. So follow along, click on promote, and then grab the link to your product. Now, we're going to obviously use this link later, but just make sure you've got it for now and you can get easy access to it. Now what we can do is we can go to the next step, which is going to be using ChatGPT. So if you go ahead and go to ChatGPT, and if you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's an online AI bot which can create content for you and do a bunch of different things. I've got many videos on ChatGPT, but we're going to be using ChatGPT for this video. Now, you might have seen a lot of different methods using ChatGPT, but I'm going to show you how we can use ChatGPT in two different ways, which are both essential to promoting this product and so we can earn money. Now, we're essentially going to be just copy and pasting things from ChatGPT, and here's what we need to do. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to ChatGPT, and we're going to create something valuable which can give us authority to sell this product here. Because when you're selling products, you need authority. You already probably know if you just go ahead and spam your links out on social media, on different traffic sources, you don't get sales because you don't have authority, and there isn't really any reason for people to click on your links. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a product which we're going to give away for free, which gives us authority. Now, that product is going to be an ebook. So follow along here. I'll show you some commands that you can use to type into ChatGPT so we can generate an ebook. And I'll show you how you can make money with this ebook, how you can put your affiliate link in the ebook, and then send thousands of free targeted traffic to this ebook, which will result in people buying this product and you earning $41.12 in commission. So go to ChatGPT and then type here, give me 10 ways to make money online in bullet points. Okay, so now we've got 10 different ways that we can make money online from ChatGPT. Now, these are going to be bullet points for our ebook, which we can create to add value and to gain authority from our traffic. So number one is freelancing. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and say, expand on number one, write 300 words and explain how freelancing can be used to make money. So what we're doing here is we're getting ChatGPT to expand on number one, which is freelancing, and we're going to get it to write an additional 300 words about the topic. Okay, so now we've got about 300 words about freelancing, which we can use for our ebook. So we're going to go ahead and copy this, and this is just number one. We need to repeat this for number two, number three, number four, and so on. But all that requires is for us to say to ChatGPT, expand on number 1, expand on number 2, and so on. So this is chapter number 1. So now what we need to do is create an ebook with all of this information. Now to do that, we're going to use Canva. Now inside of Canva, what we can do is we can go ahead and search for ebook. Then you can see there's 1000 templates. So if we go to see all, you can then see all of these templates for different ebooks. So we're going to go ahead and choose one, and it doesn't really matter which one you choose. Just choose one. I'll just choose this one here. We can then customize this template, and then we can start to write the ebook. Now I'm going to change the header to something like 10 best ways to make money online. And because I'm rushing this, it's not going to be great, but we've got 10 ways to make money online by Bradley. Now we can go ahead and add a page. And what we want to do here is add a text box on the left. You can then add a little bit of body text. Now, if you go back to ChatGPT and we copy this section here about freelancing, we can go to then Canva and paste this in. Now, what we're going to need to do is format this text. So let me just drag this to the top. And you're going to want to find where the paragraphs naturally end and just create paragraphs here. So now we need to add a new page. So you can click add page here, and you need to do this same thing for all of these different ways to make money online. So you do the same thing for number 2, number 3, and so on. So I can just say here, expand on number 2 and make it 300 words. So here we've got number 2. We're going to go ahead and copy this, and we'll go back to Canva. We'll go and add some more text. So we'll add a little bit of body text. We can paste this in here. And there you go. Now you've got number 2. So you've got your ebook starting to come together. Now you can also add images, and you can put a little bit more effort into formatting this ebook. So for you to create your ebook, it might take you around 15 minutes. I'm not going to do every single one of these, but you can just go and ask ChatGPT to expand on all 10 of these and create your ebook. Now once you've created your ebook, you might be thinking, okay, this is great, but how is a free ebook going to make me money and send people to my affiliate offers? Well, the way we're going to monetize this ebook is by linking to your affiliate offer inside of the ebook. So when people download it and they go and read it, they're going to be interested in your ebook, and you're going to then give them a link to your product. So your ClickBank product is going to make you money when they buy it. So in this case, we're promoting WIHTOUT.com, which is this product here, where people can earn $25 to $35 per hour. So if we go ahead and grab our link again, we can then copy our link. We can then go to Canva, and on just a random page in between the content, just add a body of text, and then say something like earn $25 to $35 per hour reviewing apps. Okay, so you've got this text here. Now what we're going to do is highlight this all, and we're going to go ahead and link. So if you go ahead and right click on this, you can then link, and you can paste in your ClickBank link. So now this text goes to your ClickBank landing page, and it's just naturally fitted in between some valuable information. Again, you would make your ebook look more presentable and it just look more visually appealing. You might also want to go to Google and type in app review. And if you go to images here, we can get a picture. And this picture is going to grab people's attention. We'll say earn money app review. So maybe we can just grab this image here, save image as. Then if we go back to Canva, we can drag in this image to Canva. You can then drag this image on. And let's say we want to make this a different color. So let's make this, we can also animate this as well. I'm also going to make it bold, and let's perhaps make it a bit bigger. What I'm also going to do, just for the video, is go to elements. And if we get a shape here, we can go ahead and put this shape behind the text. You can then go ahead and change this to, let's say, black. And then we can change the text back to white. So now you've got your link, which goes to your ClickBank product, and it's kind of like embedded in your ebook. Now, don't forget to make your ebook look well designed, high quality, and visually appealing. And obviously you would do this for all of these 10 different ways that ChatGPT gave you to make money online. Now, once you've got an ebook which you're happy with, which you think is going to add value to people, you can then go to share in the top right hand corner, and you can simply go ahead and download this ebook. Download it as a PDF standard, and then click download. Okay, so here is your ebook. I'm just going to make sure that it's all working. So you've got 10 ways to make money online, you've got freelancing, and you've got text about freelancing. Then you'll have the next one, which is about surveys. Then you've got your ClickBank affiliate link, and if someone clicks on this, it will redirect them to the affiliate page. So here is that page, and if people buy, you will earn a commission of around $41. So what we've done here is we've hid our affiliate link in an ebook full of value. So now we can go ahead and promote this, and I'm going to show you how you can promote this with a free traffic source and use a free AI bot to even generate the contents for your traffic source. Now, before we go ahead and promote this with our free traffic source, we need to get this uploaded to the internet so people can download it. So what I recommend you do is just go ahead and search for Google Drive. You can upload this to Google Drive and then give people the link. So go to Google Drive, then go ahead and go to New in the top left hand corner, then go to File Upload, then go ahead and find your PDF, then open it, and it should then open in Google Drive, and then you can give people this link. So here is the PDF. Obviously you would rename it. So we'll just rename this to 10 ways to make money online. Okay, so now we've done that, we can right click on it and we can go to share, and we can go ahead and go to restricted and change this to anyone with the link. So now anyone with this link can view this PDF and download it. So now we're going to copy the link. Now, one last thing I recommend you do, you want to go to a URL shortener like tinyURL. And tinyURL allows you to shorten a long link. So instead of giving your traffic this real long Google Drive link, you can just make this a tiny URL, and you can give them a tiny URL link. Okay, so now we've done that, we can now copy it. Now we can go to our traffic source and drive free targeted traffic to this ebook. So people will read it, they'll click on your affiliate offers, and they will make money, and you will make money, when they buy your products. So the traffic source we're going to use is going to be Twitter. Now, if you go to Twitter and you type in make money online, you're going to see a lot of these people here talking about different ways to make money online, getting thousands of free targeted views on their tweets. So this person just says, the first step to making money online is to believe it's possible. You can't make money online if you're still doubting the opportunity. Here we have a tweet, 10 proven ways to make money online, with 182 views. And this is from a Twitter account with barely any followers. So you can see these have got 16 followers, and they still managed to get a tweet with 182 views. Now we're going to create a Twitter thread. So people are giving valuable information here on different ways to make money online, but we're going to create a Twitter thread. Now a Twitter thread is like this. So this person says, stop asking for sales and read this, make money online with your art skills. And then he goes on to give more information in the thread. And yeah, he basically expands on his original tweet in a Twitter thread. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give value. We're going to create a Twitter thread, and we're going to link people to download our PDF so they can read that. They can get more value. And remember, our PDF has our affiliate links scattered around it. So a lot of those people that download the PDF are also going to go to our affiliate links and buy our products and make us money. Now we're going to create Twitter threads using ChatGPT. So if you go to new chat and you say something like, create a Twitter thread about ways to make money online. Okay, so here it's writing a Twitter thread, and it says, are you looking for ways to make money online? Here are some options to consider. So this will be tweet number 1. Then we've got tweet number 2, tweet number 3, and so on. So we're going to go ahead and copy this first tweet. We're going to go to Twitter, and we're going to create this tweet. So if you go to Twitter and you paste in tweet number 1, you can then go ahead and click here where it says add, and you can write tweet number 2. Now tweet number 2 is freelancing, and we go ahead and paste that in here. We write tweet number 3. And you can write as many tweets as you think is valuable here, but at some point you've got to pitch people to go to your ebook. So you can say something like this. So at some point when you've given enough value, you can then say, I expand in great detail and share a hidden way to make $25 to $35 per hour in this ebook. Download it here. Then people are going to see your tweets, they're going to read them, they're going to get value. And if they want to then learn more in great detail, they can go ahead and download your ebook, which you link to here. when they download your ebook and read it, they're going to go through it, they're going to find value, and some of these people are going to click on your affiliate links which you scatter throughout your ebook, and if they buy, you will then earn a commission of around $41. Now that's been the method in general. Obviously you're going to have to take more care. You're going to have to write a better ebook which is more visually appealing, and you're just going to have to put more care into writing these tweets and making sure they actually make sense. But that has been this step-by-step method on how you can do it. Now if you want an easier method where you can make money on ClickBank without really having to do much, with kind of like a set and forget system, I recommend you check out this link in the description to Omni Commissions. It builds affiliate websites which you set up once, which are completely hands-free, which essentially run from anywhere and generate your affiliate commissions with ClickBank. It's only $10 once. You can go ahead and try this out and see if this works better for you. I know everyone's looking for a method with not much effort right now, so this is something to consider. I'm not going to give you a hard pitch on this product, but if you want to go ahead and check it out, I'll leave it in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.